Alright, I haven't tried one of these in a while. Fun trivia. There's a part of me that was doing this for a particular reason. There were these certain women. God, that's too far. I'm gonna put that up anyway, and people can figure it the fuck out, whatever they want to do. There were certain people that I did this for their amusement. That part of me has died. Those girls don't talk to me anymore because I'm a free thinker, and by that I mean I'm a drunken retard with no self-control. But I'm gonna try it anyways. People knew this both as the pterodactyl noise, and I don't think it sounds like a pterodactyl at all. Am I recording? I'm recording. They also knew it as just the bird scream, which is what I called it. Let's see if I can get a decent one out. No, see, that was shit. That's no good. Let me try again. Absolutely does not help that I've been drinking. No good. It was good on New Year's. New Year's, it was a little different. I don't know. I mean, it's the magic. You know, that time of year. I was down at the end of the driveway just hooting and hawing. I did it good. Dr. B was there with me. And, excuse me. It was good. Let's try again. Hang on. Still not good, but it's better than nothing, alright? It's a reference to the last video I put up, which was nothing on its own. I think you guys will like this either way. You guys are I think you'll like it, so enjoy.